Bam. The scissor jack. It comes with this handle, 4 different sizes, 2 sockets with double-sided sizes on them, 4 different sizes lug nuts that'll fit. These 2 pucks for if you need extra the rubber. That way it won't hurt your metal or anything. It grips on it better than just the metal. And then another one in case you need to chalk it up a little bit higher. And extendable, and this extendable lug wrench. It fits on the sockets. This, and it's got a little catch in there so it doesn't collapse on you. You got to kind of bump it. Put this right there. Look. Anyway, back it off. You just flip this little switch here, or this number. Just put it all in the bag. Bam.